Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Archie's math class again. So today in our math class we're going to practice how to multiply decimals, and we're going to have two cases: multiplying a decimal number by a whole number and multiplying a decimal number by another decimal number. So to do multiplication of decimals requires the standard algorithm. So I'm going to write, for example, 4.5 times 3. Notice that unlike addition, the decimal points here don't have to be aligned. In addition, they do, but not in multiplication. So now I'm going to proceed with this, and I'm going to first multiply 3 times 5, and then I'm going to multiply the 3 times 4. So proceeding with our operation, 3 times 5, it's 15. I write the 5 and I carry over 1. Then I multiply 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, it's 13. Once I have this number, I have to identify how many digits I have to the right of the decimal point. In this case, we have only one. That means that we're going to start from here and we're going to count one space, and that's where I'm going to put my decimal point. So the answer to this operation would be 13 and 5 tenths. Or informally speaking, we can call them 13.5. Now, let's go to the second operation, and we're going to use again the standard algorithm. So we got 3.7 times 1.2. Okay, so when we perform this operation, we are going to have four multiplications. First, we're going to multiply 2 times 7. Then I'm going to multiply 2 times 3. But also, I'm going to multiply 1 times 7, and then I'm going to multiply 1 times 3. So that would be 2 times 7, also 2 times 3, and also 1 times 7 and 1 times 3. Okay, so let's begin. 2 times 7, the answer is 14. 4, and I carry over 1. Then we got 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 1, that's 7. I'm not going to use the decimal point yet. Then I do multiplication. 1 times 7. Since this one it's in the ones, I'm going to start writing below the ones column. 1 times 7, it's 7. 1 times 3 is 3. Then I'm going to do an addition of these numbers. So I got 4, 7 plus 7, 14, 4, and I carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now, how many decimal digits do we have? After the decimal point to the right, I got 1, and I have another one. So starting from here, I'm going to count 2 spaces. 1, 2. So the answer to our multiplication is 4 and 44 hundredths. Hope you guys understand. Bye-bye.